How to log into Paramount Plus. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in to Paramount Plus. So, before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So the first thing that you'll need to do is open up your web browser and simply search for Paramount Plus. So search for paramountplus.com and hit enter. Then you'll be prompted to a page with a login section, including your email address and then a password. So this is not it. This is shown to me due to regional differences. So you will get a section where you can type in your email address and then password. All you have to do is type in your email address and then your password and simply tap on login. After you do that, you'll get logged in into your account and you're good to go. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.